Hello, this is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to show you how to automatically post your YouTube videos to Twitter via Ifttt, if this then that app or application. So I am on the Ifttt website. What I'm going to do over here, once I'm here, I will log in to my account and then choose YouTube. After choosing YouTube, I have a lot of these applets down here with me. So I am going to choose specifically want to advertise your videos from YouTube to Twitter. So I'll click this. Once I click over here, I will have option of adding my YouTube channel and also my Twitter account, so they will require authentication. Once all of that is set, I'll just press the connect button and your videos will automatically be posted on your Twitter account as soon as you upload them. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this tutorial, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care.